Thank you guys, thank you guys. And this song, ito po yung isa sa pinakamaraming request talaga. No, every time na meron kaming performance o show, ito talaga yung nire-request na kanta. So, if ever alam nyo po ito, sabayan nyo po kami. Napakagandang kanta po ito para po sa inyong lahat. Love you like this.
Mga ilo! You know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes, I couldn't ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
Mga ilo!
Hold on, I'm gonna need a little
No words, sabay-sabay! Mom!
So if I
ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you.
gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know how. And if I ever fall in love again, ayos na ba tayo lahat dyan?
Scared, I guess I'm scared of life. It's such a long way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'd come around.
And I know when you hurt, it's hard to let someone inside. In your arms, I feel I'm ready now to try. Say,
Oh, so
if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be
it's
with you.
gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
Be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life. When I know I've gotta take it slow. Gusto ko talikod na lang. Para
sino ba
patas.
pinakamaingay dito ngayong gabi? Sa gitna eh. Oh, now it's gonna be with you.
Gonna be
You're
with
the
you.
one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
Marami pa to.
If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again, yeah.
Palakpakan naman dyan. Sino po nakakuha ng app? Parang ang layo naman ng... Lumipat ba dito, ha? Ay, siya. Ingatan niyo po yan, madam, ha? Limited edition po yan. Hindi po kami nagbebenta niyan. Binibigay lang po talaga namin. So, ingatan niyo po.
Yay!
Mag-picture ka, tapos itag mo yung Sweet Notes Music.